Dear children, do the second day activity of the bridge course of mathematics subject. Here it is a activity page 2. Then the first one, simplify the following. Simplify the following. Here addition and subtraction both are there, plus and minus. So follow the steps of the addition and subtraction and simplify the following. Here what you have to do? Here I will give the hint. Here first you find the sum of the positive numbers and find the sum of the negative number, and next see the sign of the bigger number and see the sign of the smaller number. Here if they are having, means they are having the different sign here, because two negative signs are there. By adding them you will get negative sign, and two positive signs are there. By adding positive numbers you will get positive numbers, and next in the next step you will get positive numbers and negative numbers. In that case you must subtract. While subtracting, see the bigger number and smaller number. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and put the sign of the bigger number. That is the method of simplification. Next one, the second one, simplify the following. These are the decimal numbers. These are the decimal numbers. In that case, same steps are to be followed. Here first you add the number of the same sign, and next you do the subtraction. Here 1056.62 is there. Again 128.56, 456.42 are there. Here what you have to do? Add these two numbers and take the negative sign. After that, here positive number is there. The sum of these two is the negative number, and you subtract and we put the sign of the greater. If you take the example of second one, here first one and second one are having positive sign, and third one and fourth one are having negative signs. And in the first step, add these two and write the number. Next you add these two numbers which are having same sign, that is negative sign, and here you will get one number, that is the sum of these two number, and here you will get the other number with the negative sign. Now here verify which one is bigger. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and put the sign of the bigger number. Then you take the third one, identify the incorrect number and correct it. Here there is a set of numbers 40, 31, 24, 16, 18. There is a relation between the consecutive number. Verify that relation, and one number is incorrect here. Identify that number and correct it. For example, take the first set of numbers. Here 40, 31, 24, 16, 8 are there. And see the relation from the last number or the first number. Here 40 minus 31 is there. And next 24, 16 and 16, 18. See the relation here. Here 8 plus 8, that is 16 minus 8, 24 minus 8. So here 31 is there, means 24 plus 8. 24 plus 8 is 32. If it is 32, 32 plus 8 is 40 you will get. So what is the incorrect number here? The incorrect number is 31. You write that 31 is incorrect. The correct number is 32. Like this way you answer the question. Then you take the second one. Here 31, 25, 19, 13, 6 are there, and verify the relation here and find the missing number. Then you take the third mean, subtract the following. You know the method of subtracting the fractions. Method of subtracting the fraction from one another. Here 5 by 4 is to be subtracted by 1 by 4. In that case, you know that while subtracting the one fractions from the other fraction, we have to see the denominator. Denominator must be same. Here the denominators are same, and directly you can subtract 5 from 1. and you will get 1 minus 5 is minus 4, that is equals to minus 1. Here it is 1 minus 5 and 5 is greater and it is having negative sign. So 5 minus 1 you must do, and the sign of the greater number is negative. So the answer is minus 4 by 4, that is minus 1. And see the second example. Here 3 by 5 minus 2 by 6. And observe the denominator. Here the denominators are different. To make the denominators, you must find the LCM of this 5 and 6. And also you know that here 5 and 6 are the co-prime number and they are not in the same table. Co-prime means they are not having the same factors here. So they are the co-prime numbers. Their common factor is only 1. Other than 1, they are not having other common factors. So they are said to be co-prime number. If they are co-prime number, their product becomes the LCM. So the product of 5 and 6 is the LCM. Then what is the LCM? 5 into 6, that is equals to 30. And you know that 5 into 6 is 30. 3 into 6 is 18. Here to get 30, 5 must be multiplied by 6. So the numerator also to be multiplied by 6. So it becomes 18. Next 6 5s are 30. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Then 18 minus 10 is 8. 8 by 30. Then you can simplify it. You know that 8 and 30 are in the table 4. 8 and 30 are in the table 2. So it is 2 4s are 2 15s. You got the answer 4 by 15. Like this way, by observing the denominator, find the difference of the following numbers, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5. In this case, you know that the denominators are same 2. Then you can find the difference of the numerators directly. But in some cases, they may be different. Here you know that they are co-prime. Here also they are co-prime. But here they are not co-prime. You must get the LCM of 3 and 9. And you know that 9 is in the table of 3. In such cases, the 9 becomes the LCM. 9 becomes the LCM. Then here you write 9 as a LCM. 3 3s are 5 3s are 15 minus 7 it becomes. So follow these steps and simplify the following. Next you take the activity page 3 for the second day only. It is a day 2 activity page 2. Find the product. You know that multiplication is also one of the fundamental operation. Then find the product. You know the method of finding the product. Find the product of 7021 into 216, 13,368 into 625, 10,325 into 45, 12,856 into 160, 62,624 into 8, 73,829 into 95. Then you take the second main, find the product. Find the product. Here we have to multiply a number with the decimal number. You know the product of the decimal number. In some cases here you see 2 decimal numbers are there. In that case what you have to do? First as usual find the product of 1355 into 256. By using the usual method find the product. After that here we have to count the number of digits after the decimal point. Here only one digit is there. Here no digits are there after the decimal point. So this product is having one digit after the decimal point. And if you take this example, fourth one, as usual you find the product of 125 into 125. After getting the product, count here one digit, here one digit, 1 plus 1, 2 digits. So in the product you must put the decimal point after the 2 digits. Means after the decimal points there must be 2 digit. Here also after the decimal point there must be 2 digit. That is usual method of multiplication is to be done, and after that write the decimal point counting the number of digits in the numbers. Next you take simplify. Simplify. Here it is a multiplication of fractions. In that case, if it is possible, try to cancel. Here you know that you can cancel this and this, or this and this, or this and this. Like this way. Here you can observe 9 and 72 can be 9 ones are 9 eights are. Similarly 11 ones are 11 threes are. Now you 1 into 3 3, 1 into 8 8. In this way this can be simplified. Here also try to cancel. If it is not possible to cancel, then you can multiply numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator and write the product. Here you write the product of the numerator into numerator. Here you write the product of the denominator into denominator. So if it is possible, try to cancel numerator by denominator and then you multiply, or otherwise take the product directly, numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. Children, complete both the activity pages in one day only, that is the activity pages for day 2. Activity pages for day 2. Complete and enjoy the learning.